Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a review on the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I actually picked this up. There was an offer on their website. I've been wanting to try Huda Beauty for such a long time because I know it's just like one of those like amazing products. Huda Beauty's got such a good name anyway. So if you want to see how this review goes, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Let's get into reviewing this foundation. Right, so I've obviously brought you in quite close just so that you can see my face at the moment. I am free of fake tan and everything right now. So I actually picked this up. I got it in the shade Toasted Coconut, which is 240N. Yeah, that is this sort of box packaging as well, which looks really nice. So that is the actual packaging. It looks really, really nice. I think people have mentioned before that this is kind of like a plastic bottle and not glass. It has a little sticker on the other side there that says 1 to 2 pumps for full coverage. I'm going to try 1 pump to start off with. I'm looking at it in there and it does look a little bit on the dark side. So obviously this did I buy this when I thought I had fake tan on? Might not be the best time to wear it today, but we're going to give it a go. Obviously I'm going to be using my brush, which I prefer to use to apply foundation. My face is absolutely clean. I'm not going to be putting any primer on or anything like that because I want to see how it performs without. So let's get into it. I'm just going to put 1 pump on the back of my hand, like so. As you can see, it is looking a tad bit dark, so it kind of looks dark in the viewfinder here, but it doesn't look too bad when I'm looking at it on my hand. So I'm going to be using my Real Techniques brush here, my foundation brush, and let's just give it a dab, and we'll start with sort of this side of my face. So a lot of people have commented on how nice it smells, and I've got to say it does smell really nice. It is a little bit dark for my skin, but I'm just gonna have to go with it. I find it's quite hard to kind of like move around. It's kind of setting quicker than I can get it on, if you know what I mean. So I'm not sure you can hear that, but I think we've got sort of thunder outside. Right, so I've done one side. I'm kind of finding it, and I'm kind of out of stuff now. I'm finding it hard to move. So what I'm going to do on the other side is I'm going to apply a little bit of primer just to see if that makes any difference, and it might make a better surface for it to apply on. So on the other side, I'm just going to apply my Benefit Pore Primer, which is in the Pearl Shimmer. So let's just apply this on this side. So I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender here and apply it to see how this side works. It seems to have a lighter coverage. I feel like it kind of goes on better with the Beauty Blender. This side kind of looks thick and cakey now. Looks like I've applied too much. Right, so that's the other side done. My personal preference is to not apply this with a brush. Generally I love applying my foundation with a brush, but I don't think this is dewy enough to do that. Usually it sort of blends in a little bit better, but I feel like this side of my face is particularly cakey. I don't know if I bring you in close whether you can see that it's kind of looking a little bit cakey. This side looks a little bit evenly sort of blended out. It looks lighter. It looks like it has been put on a little bit lighter as well. Again, ignore the fact that I'm kind of a different colour. I'm all out, so that was 2 pumps, as you can see. On my hand there is completely the wrong colour for me. I need to put some fake tan on before I did this, really. But never mind, we are where we are. So yeah, so my opinion is to always use a beauty sponge to apply the foundation. So I'm going to finish off now. Just to let you know as well on the cost, I think it was 30. I'll put it on the screen because I can't totally remember. I think it was like £32. I might have got a discount as well, but I'll pop it on there. It did take a little while to come as well because of the whole coronavirus thing. I think it was shipped from America. I think you can buy it from some places from the UK, sort of Look Fantastic or places like that. I can list other places below. I'll try and find the cheapest places. Do like the foundation. I think it does apply better with a primer on first, maybe even some moisturiser as well. This side again was totally without, and I felt like it went a little bit cakey. It would have been good to see what it would be like, you know, bare face, but just with a beauty blender. But I would just recommend applying it with a beauty blender. It isn't the best foundation. I was expecting a lot more, to be honest, from this. To be honest, I think I still prefer the Maybelline one that I did a review on a couple of months ago, maybe a few months ago. I can leave a link above here, and that I prefer much better, especially for my skin being in my 40s. I feel like this sort of sits in my wrinkles a little bit more than that, and it doesn't have that illusion of sort of the dewiness coming through, which is what I need at my age. So yeah, but apart from that, it is totally full coverage. I'm gonna finish off my makeup now, and then I'll be back to you in a second. Hi guys, so I'm back. I've just finished off some sort of simple makeup today, and yeah, just my usual sort of lipstick and eyeshadow that I normally wear, and I've just added some lashes as well, just for a little bit more of a dramatic result. But this is the foundation. I'm going to see how it fares throughout the day. I'm kind of not happy with how it's kind of caking on this side, so we'll see how it fares. But that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.